The CMC-0400. This is a 4-current manual control for low voltage DC motors, and it's real easy. You just bring the motor wires in here. You've got a fuse. You've got a fuse for each curtain motor. It runs them. You can go the other direction. The CMC-0400 is just manual only. It does not interface in with any ventilation control. You have to come up here and turn the motor on and leave it run. So overall, this is not really an intelligent box, other than switches for each curtain motor. Brings 110. You plug it into an outlet, and it puts out 24 volts. And it's got fuse protection. So overall, it's a power supply for low voltage 24 volt motors, fused each direction, and it just sends the power out and makes the curtain go up and down. One thing to remember is this does not stop the motor. The motors need these little limit switches on them. So that is actually what stops the motor, is the limit switches, not this box.